Hello everyone. This is our presentation of statistics for third MTA. Our topic is scope of statistics in managerial decision making. Our team consists of 5 BBA 2C students: Sucheta Das, Sreyanka Roy, Souranil Bhowal, Mir Mohammad Inamul, and Swarnendu Samadder. Introduction. The role of statistical analysis in managerial decision making is crucial for data driven strategies. This presentation explores the impact of statistical methods on enhancing managerial decisions and improving organizational performance.
Understanding data. Before making decisions, managers need to understand the significance of data. Data interpretation and analysis are essential for making informed decisions that drive business success. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics provide a summary of data, including measures of central tendency and dispersion. These statistics offer valuable insights into the distribution and characteristics of the data.
Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics enables managers to draw conclusions and make predictions based on sample data. This allows for generalizing findings to the large population and making informed decisions. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a crucial tool for validating assumptions and making decisions based on statistical significance. It helps managers assess the reliability of data and make informed choices.
Regression analysis. Regression analysis enables managers to identify and quantify the relationship between variables. This helps in making predictions and understanding the impact of various factors on outcomes. Decision support systems. Statistical analysis plays a key role in developing decision support systems that assist managers in making strategic decisions. This system integrates data analysis to provide valuable insights.
Risk assessment. Statistical analysis aids in assessing risks associated with different decisions by quantifying uncertainties and probabilities. Managers can make informed choices to mitigate potential risk. Implementation challenges. Despite its benefit, implementing statistical analysis in decision making may face challenges such as data quality issues, resistance to change, and the need for specialized skill. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for successful implementation.
Conclusion. Statistical analysis is a powerful tool for enhancing managerial decision making. By leveraging statistical methods, manager can make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and drive business success through data-driven strategies. Thank you.